Hello, Mr. Buffalo. Stop driving. Stop driving. Yay for Cooper, you did. He's gonna cross the road, I bet. Get out on that side, then. Get out on the road. He's crossing the road. He's crossing the road.
Walking like right.
That guy's probably so lucky he got that thing right in front of him.
Oh, don't.
Looking for some more grass.
Are you taping?
Yeah. Yes. Oops, I didn't do a very good job though. If you come down here, I could get him though.
Far away though.
I am. See, I'm 50 yards away.
He's got a big hump on him. Yeah, a big hump on his back.
Sitting dog.
We're going to a spring.
So cool.
I know. It's very cool. Don't run, don't run. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
You hit the hot water stream that jumps in.
Yeah, you can see a student down here.
I wish I could go down and touch that.
I know, you can't.
Maybe I could pull out a weed and try and touch it.
Because it's pretty small.
I know how happy I make it.
Bubbles coming up, you can see them underneath the water there. Stay on the path. Stay on the path.
What is that thing in there?
No.
Oh, ears. Look at her ears going straight up. Oh, then they came back out again. Hello.
Yeah, we'll walk up there too. Look at those guys up there, really fun. This is called the Sunday. Oh, Sunday geyser.
That's a geyser?
They say geyser.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's like emerald. I guess a geyser. Oh, look at that one. Oh, wow, yeah.
You hear it crackling. That's cool.
What is this stuff?
That's just so pretty.
Glad we have beautiful sun right now.
How to record the sound.
Settlers didn't have boardwalks. They could just walk right near this. Yeah.
That's true. That's pretty amazing. Or on the other base, North Loop Basin or Loop or something like that.
Norris Geyser Basin.
It's a 1.6 mile. I know, but I was wondering what the loop is called. Oh my gosh. Woo!
Oh my.
That's strong.
Wow, that is.
Steamboat Geyser is the world's tallest active geyser.
Whoa, there it goes. See it?
Barely.
It's dark. You can see it bubbling up a little bit.
And you see, look.
Yeah, see?
There it goes.
There you go. Is that a left?
Probably. This is unpredictable. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. Cool. Another shot of the same one, a little bit lower. We had a better shot up there, I think, actually. It's pretty cool, though. There it goes. Look at that. That's a pretty good shot.
I was just about to say Carlos Corcoran.
Very pretty good the bubbles down there.
See the water level going up and down.
Seth, watch him like Fuzzy Rocker. Seth, you'll love this mod too. Wait, why? It's a hot water.
Whoa! Whoa! Cool. Here's Vixen Geyser going off again. Basically 5 to 8 minutes. I mean, we went by here 5 or 8 minutes ago. All done. No, he's not. She. No, she's not.
A day keeps the doctor away. That's too bad.
No, you guys are tripping this.
So, visitor disrupted this.